In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then tap at that icon to go to menu. Tap at Gear to go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap somewhere here to open up Meta Account Center. Then tap at Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, and that's where we can easily find deactivation or deletion. On the next step, select your Facebook account you would like to turn off for a while. And on the next step, we need to choose if we would like to deactivate or delete our account. Deactivating your account is temporarily. You can just turn it off for some time, and later you will be able in any time to turn it on or reactivate. To continue, tap at that button. Then continue again. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your current Facebook password for the account you would like to turn off. Once you've done that, tap at Continue. Then select any option from that list, scroll down, and hit at Continue. And on that step, just scroll down a bit until you find that Continue button. However, before tapping on it, I recommend you to set up the option which is called Automatically Reactivate My Account in, and this option is now set to 7 days. We can tap on it and we can set it from 1 to 7 days. And also, if we scroll down a bit, we can also set it to don't reactivate automatically. If you don't want your account to be reactivated automatically, I recommend you to select that option and then tap at Done. Then tap at Continue to move on to the next step. Scroll down, and on that final step, to turn off or deactivate your Facebook account, tap at that button. Once you tap on it, your account will be hidden from Facebook, including your Facebook profile and all your media content like photos, videos, reels and stories. However, in any time you can reactivate your account simply by logging back in. That's basically how you can easily temporarily turn off your Facebook account.